Engaging in morning exercises can help kickstart your day with energy and positivity. Here are some of the best morning exercises that can help you boost your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. 1. Yoga or stretching. Perform gentle yoga poses or a stretching routine to improve flexibility, release muscle tension, and promote relaxation. 2. Brisk walking or jogging. Take a brisk walk or go for a light jog to get your heart rate up, boost circulation, and enjoy some fresh air. 3. Bodyweight exercises. Incorporate bodyweight exercises such as push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks to engage multiple muscle groups and enhance strength and endurance. 4. Skipping rope. Jumping rope is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that can be done indoors or outdoors to elevate your heart rate and improve coordination and agility. 5. Cycling. If you have access to a stationary bike or a regular bicycle, consider cycling for a refreshing and effective low-impact workout. 6. Dancing. Turn on some upbeat music and dance for a few minutes to elevate your heart rate, boost your mood, and stimulate your muscles. 7. Pilates. Incorporate a Pilates routine to strengthen your core, improve posture, and enhance overall muscle tone and flexibility. 8. Calisthenics. Include calisthenic exercises like jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and burpees to elevate your heart rate and engage various muscle groups. 9. Swimming. If you have access to a pool, swimming is an excellent full-body workout that can improve cardiovascular health, build endurance, and promote muscle strength and flexibility. 10. Deep breathing and meditation. Practice deep breathing exercises or meditation to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance mental clarity and focus. Always remember to warm up before starting any exercise routine and consult a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health concerns. Listen to your body and choose exercises that you enjoy and that align with your fitness goals.